So I went ahead and bought this Makita kit, which comes with two devices. You get the driver drill, they call it, and the impact driver. You also get two of these 2-amp batteries, come with the clips that you can hang this on your ladder or on your belt. And you also get a charger, and you get the bag, carry bag. And this is that standard charger that is, it's a pretty beefy one. It's got good amperage, so it charges fast and safely for your Makita batteries. Now, these are matched with these new tools. If it's got the LXT, then that means that there's a battery to device communication that makes sure that the battery doesn't damage the tool and the tool doesn't damage the battery. So I bought this kit because they're very compact and very small, and these are going to be this driver, for example, something I'm using all the time around the house. So I wanted to make sure that it was something that was compact, small, easy to get into tight spots. Here's what you get in the box. You're going to get the impact driver itself here, comes with that battery. You'll notice when these come shipped to you, the battery's completely dead. I pushed the button here and I got nothing. So you're going to have to put them on the charger right away because they did not even turn the motor at all. So they're going to ship to you completely drained. I think that's probably by design, so they store well on the way to you from warehouses and whatever. But yeah, once it's charged up, you get the 4 lights there. I'm fully charged there with this small 2-amp battery. It's good to use a 2-amp battery on these because it's just balanced well in your hand. It's not too bulky. You can use a 4-amp, but do you really need it on an impact like this? Now, this impact has that 1/4-inch hex drive here. So you just pull back here like this, and it's going to release, and you can put those fittings in there like that. It's got your standard here with forward and reverse by just adjusting this. But a nice thing is if you put it in the middle, the trigger will lock out, so the tool won't come on if it gets bumped on something in your tool bag. But if I go ahead and move it to here, go the other way. It's got a nice quiet sound to it. You can see it jump there in my hand. It's got a lot of torque, so this thing puts out a lot of power. It says it right on the box about the impact driver, 1460 pounds of torque. And then for the weight, it's only 2.8 pounds when you're using the battery as well. So I like getting these kits because you get 2 batteries, you get the charger, you save money. Then if you bought that stuff individually, it's really expensive. Now looking at the drill here, same battery comes with it. You can put the same clip on here. They provide both of those. Come in this little bag here. Just that standard metal clip goes on the side to give you the bolts that you'd need. And the drill, same thing. Battery came completely drained. Works the same way. You've got the forward and reverse here and the lockout in the middle. And then this also has adjustments here, so you can adjust the impact if you're using it in a screwdriver mode to be completely relentless and 100%, or you can back it off to say, hey, I want you to stop driving at a certain level here. So you got from 1, the most sensitive, all the way up to 21 levels of pressure before the drill will start to skip over. So this has got your standard drill type chuck, so you can put your drill bits in there, big and small, goes all the way up to looks like a 1/2 inch. Again, really nice piece of equipment. It's got rubberized pieces all the way around, very ergonomic. And if you drop it, then it's going to help you out because it's got that rubber coating around. So you got 2 speeds on this. You got a 1 and a 2. So typically with my drill, I'm always using it on 2, it seems like. And on both of these, they got LED lights. So as soon as you tap the trigger, you're going to get that LED light. It's in the perfect spot to illuminate whatever you're working on. Really good rig. And then you're going to get your charger. This is that DC18SD charger. Real easy to use. Charges the nickel MH versions and the lithium-ion versions of batteries. Pretty much all the batteries nowadays are these lithium-ion. And if you look here on the output, it comes out at 2.6 amps on the output. Up to 18 volts there and 2.6 amps. So you just plug this in the wall, put it on here, watch it go through the process, charge up your batteries. So they also give you a carry bag, pretty nice tool bag. If you bought a lot of tools from Makita, you probably have a bunch of these bags by now, but just handy to have them around. Use them for all kinds of things. I keep tools in them and keep them in the trunk of my kids' cars. So if they get broke down, we got some tools. Be able to take care of it. So they work great for that. Hey, I hope that's helpful to learn a little bit more about this kit here for the Makita drill and impact wrench. Hope you have a great day.